Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to record a supplier invoice or bill on Xero. This is essential for keeping your accounts payable organized and ensuring you stay on top of what you owe to your suppliers. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, look for the Sign In button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your Xero credentials, so go ahead and type in your username and password to access your account. This will take you to your Xero dashboard where you can manage all your financial activities. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. You'll see several options there and you want to click on Purchases. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with additional choices. From this menu, click on Bills. This is where you'll manage all your supplier invoices and bills within Xero. Once you're in the Bills section, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled New Bill. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear. From this menu, select New Bill again to start creating your supplier invoice entry. This opens up a form where you'll input all the relevant details. The first thing you need to do is enter the supplier contact in the From field. Start typing the supplier's name and Xero will suggest existing contacts, or you can add a new one if needed. Next, add the bill date in the Date field. This is the date shown on the supplier's invoice. Then move to the Due Date field and enter when payment is due. These dates are crucial for tracking payment timelines and maintaining good supplier relationships. In the Reference field, type any purchase order number or reference that appears on the supplier's invoice. This helps you match the bill to your records and makes it easier to track specific transactions later on. Now we move to the Item section, which is where you'll detail what you're being billed for. Click Add Item and you'll see fields appear for item, description, quantity, unit price, tax, and account. Fill in each of these fields carefully. The item could be a product or service name. The description provides additional detail. Quantity is how many units you're purchasing. Unit price is the cost per unit. Tax is the applicable tax rate. And account is where you select the appropriate expense or asset account from your chart of accounts. This categorization ensures your financial reports are accurate. If the supplier's invoice includes multiple items or services, you can add additional lines by repeating this process. Xero makes it easy to add as many line items as you need. If you need to make any adjustments to the total, you can do so here as well. Before finalizing, take a moment to check that the total at the bottom matches the supplier's invoice total exactly. Also verify that all tax calculations are correct. This double-checking step prevents errors that could cause issues during reconciliation or tax reporting. Finally, when everything looks accurate, click Approve to finalize the entry in Xero. This records the bill in your system and updates your accounts payable balance accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a supplier invoice in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.